Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Tesla possibly buying out a mining company. Well, last night they had a shareholder meeting, and the most interesting thing that came across for me was Tesla, uh, you know, might get into the mining business. So my thought is, are they gonna just do it themselves, or are they gonna go and just find the mines and do it themselves, or they just gonna buy out a company that's already established in the mining business? And since the mining business right now, everything is really bad and red and ugly, Tesla has an option to buy cheap stocks for dirt cheap. So my thought is, if Tesla is buying our mining company and we guess the right mining company, you're looking at like 4 or 5x return. So just out of curiosity, I don't know what company Tesla's gonna buy out for a mining company. Maybe they won't buy out mining company, but it's interesting. If we can, if you guys can find which company Tesla is gonna buy out as for the mining company, you would make big bucks. But that would be like insider information, and that would be legal, unless somebody guessed and got it right, and that would be amazing. But anyways, that was interesting. The most interesting thing that came across my mind when when Tesla had a shareholder meeting last night. This morning, Tesla was up. Now it's falling back. I'm so happy that it's falling back, because I plan to buy more Tesla stock, and I'm so happy that Tesla stock is falling. Yay, Tesla stock, go Tesla, fall further. I know I'm kind of a bear. I do hold shares. I do hold shares of Tesla, but I want to add more to my position, and I want to try to add it as cheap as possible. So I would love for this price to drop. So yeah, I do believe in Tesla, and I would love to see the price drop further. And it makes me happy to see the price go down, not up. I'm surprised. This Hong Kong news was happened last night. Hong Kong's protesting. I was surprised. I thought the market was gonna tank real bad in the morning, but it didn't. And it's kind of hovering around, neutral. So that's kind of shocker to me that that this Hong Kong protest didn't really affect the markets. In my opinion, the U.S. market should have been down at least 1% because of that Hong Kong protest, but it didn't, and that's kind of shocking to me. Beyond Meat had a nice little bounce today. I honestly believe that Beyond Meat will be very volatile, and I believe that there's a possibility that Beyond Meat could be a Tilray and still go to $200, simply because there's a lot of rich people involved with Beyond Meat, and I think they want to destroy short sellers. That's what I believe. Bill Gates and him and his little billion dollar friends, they're probably trying to destroy shorts. In my opinion, that's the reason why they're pumping up the stock. At least I could be wrong. This is just me speculating, but obviously, for the company to move billions and billions of dollars in literally one day, couple $1 billion in one day, there are billionaires involved with the stock, or else the stock would not move up like this. You think a bunch of retail investors all of a sudden be like, oh, I want to buy the stock at $139? I don't think so. Retail investors are probably trying to short the stock or buying put options on the stock because they think the stock price was going to go down. But they are competing against billionaires, so I would be careful. But that's just my opinion. I'm trying to buy call options. I'm doing the opposite. So I think the stock's going up further and higher, and I think yesterday was nothing more than a correction. I think the stock is going to slowly grind up, but that's just my opinion, not advice to anybody. So yeah. Canopy Growth down 50 cents this morning. Not much I can say about that besides down. Tilray is also, Tilray is up 39 cents. Not too much to say about that. I was thinking of buying more call options for Tilray. Aurora, I still believe Tilray could go back to $100. I don't know when or how or what time, but I have a feeling that eventually Tilray will be at least $100, but that's just my opinion. Like I said, Tilray makes absolutely no sense, just like Beyond Meat. There's a possibility Tilray can go up to $100 and be worth, $10 billion. And right now they are worth, $4 billion. I'm thinking there's a total possibility because, like I said, you can't make sense of Tilray and you can't make sense of Beyond Meat. They have billion dollar investors behind them. That's the reason why the stock price can move. At least that's just my opinion only, though. Aurora down 3 cents. I think Aurora might hold out, but I could be wrong, and Aurora could just fall flat before the earnings report and then skyrocket after the earnings report. I don't know for sure. But if I ever see the stock price go down to below $7, I'm gonna be buying some call options. And then if somehow it goes back to $6.19, I will actually use real money to buy Aurora stock. And if it falls to $4.88, I would buy in big time. But I don't think it will go back down to $4.88 US. But that's just my opinion. Afria was down. Now it's up 2 cents. Not too much to say about that. Kron is up 16 cents. Not, like I said, not too much to talk about there. Medman is up 7 cents. It would have been a nice little buy this morning if I was paying attention. I didn't. Oh well, too late now. But it makes me happy. Batman's going up. It could fall. It could go up. I don't know. I'm not. I don't know for sure what's gonna happen. But every time it dips, it's an opportunity. Every time it skyrockets, you can either sell and take your profit and hope it goes down again, and then keep swing trading Madman, or you can just hold long term and hope it goes to $4. That's what I'm doing. I'm hoping Madman goes to $4. I'm holding on this long term, so $2.90 that feels nice to see that. If Kron goes up, I think Madman goes up. If Kron goes down, Madman goes down. That's just my opinion. Apple is trading sideways. I'm hoping Apple just tanks hardcore, but maybe not. But that would be nice if the entire market tanks, bringing Apple down to 180. That would be nice because I would make my money back. But that would be a dramatic downfall if it actually happens. AMD is down 28 cents. I think it'll probably go down to maybe $28 when earnings come around, and then if earnings are really good, it'll probably spike back to $35. That's just my opinion. We'll see what happens in the coming months. Nvidia tanked kind of hard today, down 2% already. Harvest Health is down 11 cents. Surprising. Such a good company, yet it's down to $8.33. I think it just seems to be the trading range seems to be around 8.20 to like 8.50. So I don't know. I definitely would want to buy more Harvest Health because I do like the company. So if the stock price tanks, I definitely will be buying more. And if Kira tanks all the way down to $8, I'm definitely going to be buying more Kira stock. Acreage Holdings. Ooh, Acreage Holdings, 1859. Kind of makes no sense that it's going up while Canopy is going down. Maybe Acreage has some news that I'm not aware of. Let's go look. Let's see what news Acreage has. No news for Acreage yet. Acreage is going up. That's good, I guess. Not too much to say about that. Wow, 1864. That's crazy. GTI is go trading sideways. Liberal Health Science shocks me a little because there was news today that rapid expansion in Florida, the opening of its 15th dispensary in Boca Raton. I think Liberal Health Science could be a big golden gem because look at Kira. Kira makes a lot of money from Florida. Same with True Eve. If Liberal Health Science can make very similar, even half of the revenue of True Eve, their company should be worth so much more. Earnings is coming around the corner. I'm looking forward to hearing what they have to say and what the numbers are. But I honestly believe this is an opportunity right now. I will be adding more if this price keeps dropping. That's for sure. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And have a great day. Bye.